Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 sounds like something stuck inside, it's likely due to a blockage in the motor or the brush bar. This can happen if debris gets caught during use. If left unattended, it can lead to reduced performance and potential permanent damage to the motor. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a clean cloth, and some compressed air. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is unplugged for safety. Begin by removing the dustbin. Locate the release button, press it, and pull the bin away from the main body. Once the dustbin is removed, check for any visible blockages. If you spot something, clear it out. Next, take the screwdriver and remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Gently lift the cover to expose the motor area. At this point, inspect the brush bar for any tangled hair or debris. If you find any, carefully detach the brush bar by unscrewing it. When replacing it, be gentle and ensure it fits snugly into place. Remember to check for any loose cables while you're working, disconnect any that might obstruct your repair. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've reassembled the brush bar and secured it with the screws, replace the cover of the vacuum. Ensure all screws are tightened, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic casing. Finally, plug your Dyson SV14 back in and turn it on to check if the sound issue has been resolved. If you still hear noises, further inspection may be necessary. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your Dyson's brush bar and dustbin after each use. Additionally, avoid vacuuming large debris that could easily get stuck. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.